Good afternoon to our dear panelists and good afternoon to our co-researchers. My name is David Abalos, the leader of this team, along with
Bianca Nicola Ponsalan,
Chloe Barbacena.
Riza G. Refil.
Then together, we are going to present you our capstone project for this video. So then, the title of our research is about the alternative use of Moringa oleifera or malunggay extract as an ointment for anti-inflammatory and cleansing. So, we are the group 5, the alternative use of Moringa oleifera extract as an ointment for anti-inflammatory and cleansing. So this is the member of our group as we said a while ago. Then now let's proceed to the SOP of our product. So the statement of the problem is to aim of this research to determine the alternative use of Moringa oleifera extract as an ointment for anti-inflammatory and cleansing. So first, it also especially seek to answer the following question. First, how does anti-inflammatory agent of Moringa oleifera acts with the redness, swelling, and the pain caused by the bacteria? Then number 2, what are the properties of the ointment made from Moringa oleifera that have been helping to improve the state of the infected area? And then number 3, what makes Moringa oleifera extract a good alternative for the existing ointment that have been made by many people? So this is the hypothesis of our product, which is the ointment made from Moringa oleifera. So first, let's talk about the hypothesis. The hypothesis of this research is the use of Moringa oleifera as useful ointment for anti-inflammatory and cleansing. As we all know that the hypothesis is the opposite of null hypothesis. So now, let's talk about the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis of the research is the malunggay or Moringa oleifera is not useful ointment for anti-inflammatory and cleansing.
So now let's proceed to methods. Methods, it consists 4 phase, which is collecting of materials. The researchers collecting materials needed that will help provide a ointment that we're about to produce. Number 2, extracting the leaf of Moringa oleifera and boiling the malunggay leaves together with the beeswax. And lastly is filtering the extract. Next, research design. The researcher used experimental literature in order to determine the alternative use of Moringa oleifera extract as an ointment for anti-inflammation and cleansing. Experimental use, if there is something that has not been tried, and it will be an innovation. According to Zuber 2020, a scientific approach of doing research called experimental research involves changing one or more independent variables and applying them to one or more dependent variables to see how they affect the former. It is an effort on the part of the researcher to keep all variables under control that might impact an experiment's outcome.
So as you can see here, this is the project presentation that we have already fulfilled. As you can see, the color of this product is olive green because of the natural color from the malunggay extract. And also, as you can see, let's talk about the texture. The texture of this product is quite smooth. When you apply it on the skin, it will not cause any discomfort. So as well as, now let's show you the video presentation of this product.
So let's proceed to the results. So these are the properties of our product, malunggay ointment, made from malunggay oleifera. So let's proceed to the table number 1. Properties of herbal ointment. So our properties is olive green in nature. So our chemical property is anti-inflammatory. So let's proceed to the table number 2. Antibacterial property of Moringa oleifera. So our antibacterial herbal ointment is Moringa oleifera. So next, our antibacterial property is positive. Since the effectiveness of Moringa oleifera as a wound treatment is already proven, according to vital study, Moringa oleifera extract was found in improved wound healing by boosting the proliferation, viability, and migration of human skin fibroblasts by A.I. Ghanayam et al. 2022. So in order to researcher to be innovative, they create an ointment made from Moringa oleifera leaf extract as an alternative to the existing ointment that is more useful and effective for anti-inflammatory and cleansing.
So lastly is our discussion, the summary of findings of our research. Ang una namin ginawa is nag-boil kami ng tubig, then sa double boiler pan. Tapos nung kumulo na yung tubig, nilagay na namin yung 60 ml olive oil. At the same time, naglagay na din kami ng 3 grams worth of dried malunggay leaves doon sa double boiler pan. Then, after 3 hours of steaming ng dried malunggay leaves with olive oil, tinanggal namin siya, in-extract namin para matanggal yung excess ng dried malunggay leaves. Tapos, binalik namin siya sa double boiler pan para maglagay ng beeswax. Yun yung makakatulong para maging ointment yung final output. So, yun. Yung natunaw na yung beeswax sa double boiler pan kasama yung Moringa oleifera, nilagay na namin siya sa proper container or proper na lalagyan ng final output. Then, pinatuyo lang namin siya for about 5 to 10 minutes para matuyo na siya at maging wax na siya.
Thank you for listening.